Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm sharing some Mother's Day gift ideas. I cannot wait to share these. They are quick and simple and you guys are definitely going to love them. So let's get into the video. Today's video, I will be using the Liene Pix Cut S1 to help with my Mother's Day gift ideas. It is a DIY friendly all-in-one printer and cutter that makes and laminates waterproof stickers in one step. It can turn any DIY beginner into a pro. Right now, I am just setting everything up by putting the photo paper into this little slot, and simple as that, plugging it in, turning it on. There is not much to this to get started. So I love their app. It is very user friendly, and to start out, I am just going to print out a couple photos. So this does make stickers as well, which I will also be showing you, but it's super simple. I'm going to be using the 4x6 photo paper and printing out a couple photos. The Liene Pix Cut S1 utilizes thermal dye sublimation technology. The 4-layer technology includes an automatic lamination process, ensures that stickers are long-lasting, waterproof, fade resistant, and scratch resistant. So you're going to see this go through a whole process. So there's going to be yellow, it's going to be red, and then it doesn't look bright. And then of course after that last swipe, you have a beautiful photo. I love how clear this is. And then you just have to take off those little top and bottom pieces. Simple as that. They just snap right off and you have these really beautiful photos. So I printed off 2 of them, and then I just wanted to go ahead and use this thrifted sign. I'm also using this chalk couture stencil that says blessed, and I'm just going to be adding it to the bottom. I love this gorgeous canvas / burlap backing, and I only paid $1.50 for this frame, and this is definitely going to look high end and more than just $1.50. Like I said, I'm really trying to stay on budget as far as gift wise, because everyone loves a good budget-friendly gift idea. I also think the Pix Cut S1 is a great gift idea all around as well. So if you do have that mother or that lady that you love so much that you do celebrate for Mother's Day with, I think that it would also be great. I love having this to print out pictures right on demand. I also love printing out stickers, and my daughters also really enjoy using this as well. And then once my little sign was done and dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and add those photos, and that is the first Mother's Day gift idea. Up, I did have a couple more frames that I grabbed from a thrift store, so I just wanted to go ahead and use those 2 wooden ones. They were brand new and I paid 79 cents a piece for this. This first one I'm just going to go ahead and paint white, and once that was done, I just wanted to add a little bit of detail to this one, so I just went ahead and added some rub-on transfers. Once the transfers were all on, I just went ahead and sanded this down a little bit. Now, I wanted both of these frames to look very similar, but yeah, I wanted them to look just a little bit different. So this one, I just decided to paint white, and then of course, I always use my hair dryer to dry everything just to make it a little bit faster. And then I just went ahead and sanded both of them down. I really liked the ridges on that second frame, so I just went ahead and sanded with my heart. This last one with just the photo, I just wanted to go ahead and make just a really fun bouquet of seeds. is definitely time to be planting seeds now. So I thought this would be perfect for my mom. She had a giant pumpkin patch last year. It was her first year doing pumpkins, and it was just absolutely crazy. So I thought this would be fun to make for my mom, and she did Hutch's pumpkin patch, which is her dog. And I just went ahead and added some greenery to this jar along with that picture right in the front, and I just used some skewer sticks just to put on the little seeds just to make a fun little bouquet, and I absolutely love this. It is such a quick and fun gift. Now I want to go ahead and use that sticker paper. So right here it says print and cut, and this is for 4x7 sticker paper only. I wanted to do a photo film case, so it will just print out and cut a sticker for you to add to the back of your phone. I also think this is very personable. I love anything that you can personalize for a gift for Mother's Day or any holiday, but Mother's Day specifically, it is coming up. But I thought this is a really awesome idea. And then if you did gift your mom this printer, she could honestly make these for herself at all times. Just grab a clear case, you're good to go. But I love that it seamlessly integrates top-notch photo printing and pre-use cutting. It eliminates the need for multiple machines. So I love that this prints, and then on the other side, it cuts for you, and it cuts honestly precisely. It cuts the way that you want it to, and you don't have to keep redoing this or pushing print or then pushing cut and like removing it or having a printer, having a Cricut. That's what I love the most about this. And I just think that there's just so many fun ideas that you can actually make with these. Now, once that was printed, I just went ahead and peeled off the sticker, and then I just want to share on how it's so simple to add this. So once you have that all cut out, you just take it right off the sticker paper and then just add it right to the back of your phone. And I absolutely love this, and I love that you can make as many of these as you want, and you just always are going to have a customizable phone, which I think in the long run is way cheaper than purchasing a new case or actually getting one off of a website. I think when I did a photo case a long time ago, I think we paid like $20 to $30 for it. Granted, you're going to eventually want a new case and you're going to get a new phone. So I think that this is honestly super awesome. It's just super awesome for a gift, but it's also super awesome for all the time. Also, in the Rich Template Library, it has free templates of 10,000 or more designs with their built-in library. I love using it for labels, but I thought this would be really fun to cut out some stickers that says Happy Mother's Day, I love my mom, and I thought it would be super great for the next DIY project that I had for a Mother's Day gift idea. So like I said, you're going to go ahead and print and cut. So it is going to print on one side, and like I said, it's going to go through a couple swipes here, a couple swipes there. This takes, I want to say, under 3 minutes in total to do, maybe even less. I personally haven't timed it, but I know that as soon as I turn around, it seems to be done. So it doesn't take any time at all, which I really like that as well. So once that was all print, you look at the other side, and then it's going to start cutting it for you. And like, I just think that this is honestly one of the coolest machines I've ever used. It's small, it's compact. You can take it on the go with you. You can bring it for craft parties with friends, or if you want, like I said, if you want to gift it for Mother's Day, I think that's great. I think if you want to gift it for yourself, it is also great. I use this thing constantly. I've also had to use it for last minute homework projects when the girls do need photos printed, or we can customize our own stickers. We have done this for Christmas gift ideas, and it is just hands down such a fun little tool to use. And right here it is cutting, and then you have your own personalized stickers. You can also custom and make your own as well. I have done that with the girls' pictures. They were super fun, and I'll link all those videos if you want to see some other ways to use this machine. I have had this for quite some time, and I absolutely love it. So this next one, I wanted to throw together a seed bouquet. I thought it'd be really fun, so I grabbed all these seeds from Dollar Tree. They're 50 cents a piece, which that is such a steal with seeds, and I usually buy all of mine from Dollar Tree. I'm just using some tape. I actually used a lot of tape for this project to make it happen and to make it work. I also grabbed some gloves from Dollar Tree geometry as well, and some tissue paper. And now I'm just adding this all together. And like I said, I did need a lot of tape to make sure that this was going to work. So now that it is like one little bouquet, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up with that tissue paper, and of course add some more tape and some twine. Now I don't know if I love it. I think it maybe should have been larger in the back, but it kind of just started covering all the seeds and I wanted them to show, so I kind of made a little smaller bouquet at the bottom. I thought maybe just adding tape would help, but I ended up adding twine, you'll see in a second. But I wanted to use the sticker that said Happy Mother's Day, and I was going to just add it to the top, and I'm like, no, I have this little chalkboard. This would be super cute to tie together just to finish this little project off. I did add twine just to make sure it's all secure, and I think this would look really cute in some sort of vase as well, to actually look like a seed bouquet, or you could just hand it off to your mom like this. I think that is also a little great gift. And then now I'm just taking my twine and tying that little label that says Happy Mother's Day, and I think this project turned out so good. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed these quick and easy Mother's Day gift ideas. If you did, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite or which one you would like to receive. Also, I will link the Liene Pix Cut S1 in my description box below, so you guys can check it out as well and maybe get ready for Mother's Day sooner than later. But that is it, you guys. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!